Happy Independence Day, all of you. We celebrated 15th August at my institute this year as well. Everyone participated with great enthusiasm. I added a touch of magic at the end of the video. So watch till the end and share your thoughts in the comments.
జగమంత కుటుంబం నాది ఏకాకి జీవితం నాది కవినై కవినై భార్యనై భర్తనై కవినై కవితనై భార్యనై భర్తనై మల్లెల దారిలో మంచు ఎడారిలో మల్లెల దారిలో మంచు ఎడారిలో పన్నీటి జయగీతాల కన్నీటి జలపాతాల నాతో నేను అనుగమిస్తూ నాతో నేనే రమిస్తూ ఒంటరినై అనవరతం కంటున్నాను నిరంతరం కలర్ని కథల్ని మకల్ని పదల్ని రంగుల్ని రంగవల్లుని కావ్య కన్యల్ని ఆడపిల్లల్ని జగమంత కుటుంబం నాది ఏకాకి జీవితం నాది మింటికి కంటిని నేనై కంటను మంటలు నేనై మింటికి కంటిని నేనై కంటను మంటలు నేనై మంటల మాటున వెన్నెల నేనై వెన్నెల కూతల మంటలు నేనై రవినై శశినై దివమై నిశినై నాతో నేను సహగమిస్తూ నాతో నేనే రమిస్తూ ఒంటరినై ప్రతి నిమిషం కంటున్నాను నిరంతరం కిరణాల్ని కిరణాల హరిణాల్ని హరిణాల చరణాల్ని చరణాల చరణాల కణాలని గమ్యాల కాలాన్ని ఇంద్రజాలాన్ని జగమంత కుటుంబం నాది ఏకాకి జీవితం నాది.
I am Ali Akbar. Respected sir and dear friends, at first let me wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today I am very glad to be the part of this flag hosting ceremony because this is the most important day for all the citizens of our country. On 15th August 1947 we got the independence from British rule. On this occasion we should remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Chandrasekhar Azad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rani of Jhansi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Mangal Pandey and many. A peaceful life that we are living today is just because of them. The generation after them will always be indebted to our freedom fighters for their hard work and selfless sacrifices. As a citizen of India, we should respect our nation and sincerely perform our duties to make our country the best. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Jai Hind.
Honorable Chief Guest, respected our English trainer Sajid sir, and my dear friends, all of you a very happy morning. At first, I wish you very happy Independence Day. I am Ikra Fatima. I am pursuing my 8th class. Today we are celebrating our nation's freedom. We remember the brave men and women who fought for our country's independence. We are proud of our country's progress and achievements, but there is still much to be done. Let's work together to build better India where everyone has the chance to succeed. Thank you, Jai.
A very pleasant morning to everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, respected English trainer Sajid sir, and my dear friends. At first, thank you for this opportunity to stand in front of you. I am Nashra Taranam. I am pursuing my inter first year. At first, let me wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today, I am very glad to be the part of this flag posting ceremony because this is the most important day for all our citizens of our country. As we know, on 15th August 1947, we got independence from British rule. On these occasions, we should remember our sacrifice of freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Chandrasekhar Azad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rani of Jhansi, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and many. A peaceful life that we are living today is just because of them. As a citizen of India, we should respect our nation and sincerely perform our duties.
Chief Guest, respected our English trainer Sajid sir, parents and my dear friends. First of all, thank you for this opportunity to stand in front of you. I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighter like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lala Lajpat Rai, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, and many. Our brave soldier fighters continuously on border to protect our country. We all know that no nation is perfect. It needs to be made perfect. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth development of our country. Thank you, Jai.
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। यहाँ वहाँ सारा जहाँ देख लिया है, कहीं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार ही बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, मामा तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम।
Morning everyone, I am MD Naluddin. First of all, I want to say Happy Independence Day to our respected sir and my dear great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and Rani Lakshmibai, Chandrasekhar Azad. And one more name I want to mention in this, the name is Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh, that is one of the youngest man in the list of names of freedom fighters. Bhagat Singh says a famous slogan, Inqilab Zindabad, that means live long revolution. Along with Bhagat Singh, who was hanged on 23rd March 1931, they are Shivaram, Rajguru and Sukhdev. They are also played an important role to get independence from the British rulers, and other freedom fighters are also played an important role. To thank you so much for listening my words, and Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
हमारे मुल्क में हिंदू मुसलमान साथ रहते हैं, यहाँ ईसाई के कांधों पे सिख के हाथ रहते हैं। हमारी सरहदों पे नौजवान दिन रात रहते हैं, आपस की हिफाजत के लिए तैयार रहते हैं।
Hi friends, I am Hemant Kumar. Remember and honor the brave heroes. Our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and many others worked tirelessly and made great sacrifice to make this dream a reality. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Let's make India proud.
My name is Manikanta. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today we have gathered here to celebrate Independence Day, the day our country became free from British rule. This freedom did not come easily. Many brave men and women fought for our country's independence, and a lot of people sacrificed their entire life for this country. We should always remember them and be grateful for their efforts. We are the future of this country, so it is up to us to build a bright and a strong nation. Let's work hard, be united, and make our country great.
Respected sir and my dear friends, first of all I wish you a happy Independence Day to all. I feel pride to give this present speech, and this day is most important day for us.
तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। और जिया दीवाने की जहाँ बोर सुहानी देखी, एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो। कभी याद करे जो जमाना, माटी पे मर मिट जाना, जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम हो। ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके, कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा के जैसा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा।
Please like and share if you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching this video.